Hello guys, let's see how to factory reset a Reolink camera. I have here the Argus 3, so it's super simple. You just need a paper clip like this one. And you come here and you open this compartment for the SD card. And you're gonna find here a hole where you're gonna insert this paper clip and hold until you hear a message. So there we go. Pressing. There we go. Okay, now you wait, the camera is going to boot up and I make a sound to indicate that's reset. There we go, that's the chime. And now this sonar sound, okay, indicating that the camera is ready for the setup. So super simple. Okay, now you just need to get your cell phone, the Reolink app, and set up the camera again. So basically that's the way how you can reset the Reolink camera to the factory default, right? So give your a thumbs up, leave your comments, and I see you in the next video.